Welcome to Agri-Gadget Picks. Transform your gardening routine with tools that save time and effort. The best small garden cultivator helps loosen soil, remove weeds, and prepare planting beds with ease, giving your plants the perfect environment to thrive while keeping your garden beautifully maintained. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. Alloyman Garden Cultivator. The Alloyman Garden Cultivator is an excellent choice for gardeners seeking mobility, efficiency, and user-friendly operation, combined with 4 durable steel tines, giving it the ability to cultivate soil up to 9 inches wide and 6.6 inches deep in seconds. This makes it suitable for breaking tough ground, aerating lawns, or preparing soil for planting with ease. What makes the Alloyman stand out is its ergonomic and lightweight design, paired with an adjustable auxiliary handle to reduce fatigue during extended use, making it comfortable for users of all ages. Safety is also a top priority, as the cultivator features a dual-action safety switch that prevents accidental startups. Whether you're working on small gardens, raised beds, or flower beds, this versatile cultivator is a reliable tool for plowing, turning soil, and even weeding, ensuring a smooth gardening experience. Number 2. IncwBo Garden Cultivator. The IncwBo Garden Cultivator is a dependable electric tiller designed to make gardening tasks more efficient while offering sturdy performance. Equipped with a powerful 10.5 amp motor, this cultivator boasts an impressive tilling capability of up to 12 inches wide and 8 inches deep, making it a great option for small to medium-sized garden beds, which can be inserted into the soil to help control the forward force of the tiller. This feature not only improves control, but also reduces operator fatigue during longer gardening sessions. Safety is further enhanced with a mechanical overload protection system that automatically shuts off the motor if the blades encounter hard objects or blockages, preventing damage and ensuring long-term reliability. With its compact size and thoughtful features, this cultivator is ideal for gardeners who want precision, control, and peace of mind while preparing their soil. It offers a balance of power and safety, making it a valuable tool for regular gardening needs. Number 3. MZK Garden Cultivator. The MZK Garden Cultivator is a lightweight, cordless solution for anyone who wants the convenience of a portable tiller without sacrificing efficiency. Powered by a rechargeable battery, this cultivator frees you from the hassle of extension cords and outlets, giving you the ability to work anywhere in your garden. Despite its compact size, it comes equipped with 24 durable steel tines and an 8-inch wide tilling capacity, which makes it highly effective for breaking up soil clumps, aerating garden beds, and preparing soil for planting. Its design is geared towards comfort, with an ergonomic handle that reduces strain and allows easy maneuverability even for extended periods of use. With its balance of portability, safety, and functionality, the MZK cultivator is a smart choice for homeowners who need a simple, reliable, and cordless gardening tool to handle everyday soil preparation tasks efficiently and comfortably. Number 4. GroveCraft Garden Cultivator. The GroveCraft Garden Cultivator combines professional-grade performance with cordless convenience, making it a versatile tool for home gardeners. This tiller is powered by dual 20V lithium-ion batteries, which not only provide a long runtime of up to 30 minutes each, but also feature overload and temperature protection for improved lifespan and safety. Designed with the user's comfort in mind, it features an adjustable auxiliary handle and lightweight frame, allowing gardeners of all ages to use it with minimal fatigue. The cordless design provides total freedom from restrictive cords, making it perfect for tight corners, small gardens, or areas far from a power source. Safety is also well addressed with its dual-action safety trigger, which prevents accidental startups and ensures worry-free operation. Compact yet powerful, the GroveCraft Garden Cultivator is ideal for those who want professional performance in a portable, easy-to-use package, whether for flower beds, raised gardens, or soil improvement projects around the yard. Number 5. TaskStar Garden Cultivator. The TaskStar Garden Cultivator is a high-performance cordless tiller that delivers exceptional soil preparation while remaining user-friendly and convenient. Designed with a powerful 360 RPM motor and an impressive 48 rust-resistant steel tines, this cultivator ensures smooth and consistent results, whether breaking tough soil, mixing compost, or aerating garden beds. The dual 2000 milliamp lithium-ion batteries provide reliable cordless operation with a strong runtime, eliminating the need for fuel and reducing overall costs. Its lightweight and compact design make it easy to maneuver in smaller gardens, flower beds, or raised areas, while also being simple to store and transport. The cordless nature of the TaskStar provides total freedom of movement, ensuring that users can tackle projects without the hassle of tangled cords or limited reach. Despite its power, the tiller is designed to be comfortable to operate, reducing fatigue and making it suitable for extended use. Marketed as both beginner-friendly and professional-grade, it strikes a balance between accessibility and efficiency. In summary, the best small garden cultivator is a must-have for gardeners who value efficiency and precision. With its ability to aerate soil and tackle weeds effortlessly, it ensures your garden remains healthy, vibrant, and ready for planting success.